policeman.
Yes, boy. Good afternoon.
Sir, my bicycle is missing.
How? Where?
I'm suspecting my uncle and his girlfriend.
Your uncle and his girlfriend?
Yes.
Where's your house? Where's your house?
That side.
Oh, yeah. Wait. Shh. Hello, sir. This is Sergeant Marshall. Frequency 001. Reporting, sir. Over.
Sergeant Marshall, what is the report? Over.
Sir, reporting. A robbery case.
Robbery case? You know we don't take shit in this office. What is the situation?
Sir, a little boy's bicycle missing, and he's suspecting his uncle and his girlfriend, sir. Over.
Bundle the suspect and the complainant to the office now. Do you copy?
Okay, sir. Copy. Let's go. Oh, move it. Drive. Let's go. Move it. I will shoot your leg because anything you say now will be used against you in the Supreme Court of Justice law. No. In the Supreme Court of Miracle. No. In the Supreme Court of Law of Justice. Which one? The Supreme Justice of Court of Law. What? In the Supreme Justice of Court? No. Which one? In the Supreme Court of Law. In the Court of Law. Okay, in the Court of Law. It will be used against you in the Court of Law. Hey, move now. This is the complainant and this is the suspect, sir.
Sergeant Marshall,
Sir.
You have done a nice job.
Thank you, sir.
Young man,
Yes.
my name is Omoba and I'm the DPO of this police department. And I don't take shit from anybody. So what's your name?
Good luck, Dixon Victor.
Good luck.
Dixon Victor.
Good luck.
Dixon Victor.
Shut up! Did I ask you to complete your name?
No.
Who are these people to you?
They are the criminals. They are the one that thief my bicycle. They can steal bicycle very well.
So how did it happen?
I was inside my own room last night, and they were inside their own room too. I was hearing, enter. Have you entered? Ride faster. I was hearing, are you enjoying the ride? Are you enjoying it? Ride faster. I will soon come. I was imagining, where these people are going? Where are they going to? This time of the night. I was surprised. And I went up this morning. I couldn't see my bicycle where I parked it. I wanted to use it and go and buy something. I can't see it again. Thanks for watching this sweet comedy video. Subscribe, like and share with your friends. Don't be stingy. Please subscribe, please. We need more subscribers, please. Thank you for watching this sweet comedy. Thank you.